Being alone but not lonely, embracing solitude. Being alone does not always mean being lonely. In fact, some of the most beautiful moments in life happen when we learn to enjoy our own company. Solitude is not a punishment, it is a gift. It is a time to reconnect with ourselves, listen to our hearts, and find the peace that the noisy world often takes away. When we embrace solitude, we begin to understand who we truly are beyond the expectations of other people. We discover our strengths, accept our imperfections, and realize that our happiness should never depend entirely on someone else's presence. We become our own safe place. Being your own best friend means treating yourself with kindness, patience, and compassion. Just as you encourage a friend during difficult times, learn to encourage yourself. Celebrate your small victories, forgive your mistakes, and believe that you are enough when no one is around to remind you. Healing often begins in silence. Kapag nag-iisa tayo, mas nagiging malinaw ang ating mga iniisip at nararamdaman. We learn to let go of old wounds, release unnecessary expectations, and make peace with our past. Ang katahimikan ay nagiging lugar kung saan unti-unti nating binubuo muli ang ating sarili. Being alone also gives us freedom, the freedom to grow, to dream, to choose our own path, and to live according to our values instead of seeking constant approval from others. Hindi natin kailangang patunayan ang ating halaga sa kahit sino dahil ang tunay na halaga ay nagsisimula sa kung paano natin pinahahalagahan ang ating sarili. Most importantly, solitude brings peace, and ang tunay na kapayapaan ay hindi laging nanggagaling sa tahimik na paligid, kundi sa tahimik na puso. Kapag natututunan natin maging masaya sa sarili nating presensya, wala nang takot sa pag-iisa. Instead, we see it as an opportunity to grow, to reflect, and become the best version of ourselves.